In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to unlink Calendly from EngageBay CRM in just a few quick steps. If you no longer want Calendly syncing with your EngageBay account, or you simply want to disconnect an old integration, this tutorial will walk you through the process from start to finish. Before we begin, if this video helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CRM tutorials just like this one. That way, you won't miss any future walkthroughs. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your EngageBay dashboard. Once you're inside your account, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This is where you'll find the account settings and preferences for your EngageBay workspace. After clicking the profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select Preferences. This will take you to the settings area where you can manage your account options, integrations, and sync connections. Now that you're in Preferences, look at the menu on the left-hand side of the page. From there, click on the Sync tab. This section is where EngageBay lists connected services and synchronization settings, including Calendly. Once the sync page loads, scroll down until you find the Calendly integration. You should see the Calendly logo along with the green check mark, which indicates that the integration is currently active and connected. To unlink it, click the Disable button next to Calendly. EngageBay will then ask you to confirm your decision, because turning off sync will stop the connection between Calendly and your CRM account. When the confirmation pop-up appears, click Yes to proceed. This final confirmation tells EngageBay that you want to turn off the Calendly sync and disconnect it from your account. After that, the integration should be disabled, and Calendly will no longer be linked to EngageBay CRM. That means new sync activity will stop, and your accounts will no longer communicate through that connection. If you ever want to reconnect it later, you can always come back to the sync settings and re-enable the integration when needed, and that's it. You've now successfully unlinked Calendly from EngageBay CRM. It only takes a moment once you know where to look, and now you can manage your integrations with confidence. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more simple step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.